this thing. Leather, tilt column. We got our Morel sound system. So this car is a sports spec with classic styling. It's a later model. You can tell by the doors, roll-up windows. Came after in the 70s and up. This build has the D16 Y8 with our new gears, our new intake manifold, fuel rail, everything we've been building for these cars. The drop arms, extensions. You name it, we manufacture so many parts to make these things work the way that they do. That's why they take so long to do. But if you're going to do it right, not at all. And I always go for the best parts I can. And this one turned out just like I wanted. This one here has a lock and it also has windows. That's why we put a Honda in here. Alright, let's go for a little spin. Now check this out. Windows. Look at that. I love how these things wind up. Here we go. Now let's put it in third. Plenty of juice. That's third on the freeway. That's what's awesome about the suspension in here. Look at it. Front coilovers. The rears have the rubber cones with the newer style. Most of the problem we have with the rear coils is that they don't quite have the travel and you end up bumping out a lot when you have weight in the back, so it's trickier.